everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all of you are fine and everything around you is good. Sending you lots and lots of positivity, warm hugs and also positive vibes. सबसे पहले तो आप सभी को हिंदू न्यू ईयर की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. आई होप दैट ये वाला संवत्सर तुम सभी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहे. मे यू गेट एवरीथिंग दैट योर हार्ट डिज़ायर्स एंड ऑल्सो हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू ऑल ऑफ यू. And if you are celebrating Eid, then happy Eid. I wish that Allah gives you everything that you have studied for, that you have prayed for. The purpose of making this video is to share a little life update. I have been inconsistent इस channel पे. I wanted to make videos but एक motivation होता है video बनाने का, अपनी life को share करने का एक enthusiasm होता है. That sort of enthusiasm in my life, it was somewhat missing. It was completely out of place for the past 1 year. The past 1 year of my life, or actually I would say the past few years of my life have been hell. I was completely out of place. मैं जो भी कुछ कर रही थी उसमें भी मुझे सफलता नहीं मिल रही थी. I was accustomed of failing and I used to think that maybe this is what my life is. So you think of life a certain way. तुम अपनी लाइफ को इमेजिन करके आगे बढ़ते हो कि 22 तक I would be done with my education. उसके बाद I would probably do some job and उसके बाद I would get married, then have kids. So by the time we are 28, 29, life would be like all sorted, all figured out. As in for me, I have always struggled in keeping pace with life. I have always been a person जिसको हमेशा से ऐसा लगता है कि I think a lot of things about my life but those things do not happen. Only yesterday I was having this conversation with my cousin जहाँ पे I was talking about the same thing with her and she also said the same thing, that is सिद्धि दीदी क्या आपके साथ कभी वैसा हुआ जैसा आपने सोचा था? कहीं तो एक एक कसक जिसे कहते हैं कि हाँ वैसा तो नहीं है जैसा मैंने सोचा था. एंड ऑल्सो इन in relationships, in friendships, in my life, I have again I have struggled there also. I gave my some percent into friendships, into relationships, and again I have not been successful there too. So I somewhat feel that the only people who do really understand me are my parents and my family. Those people, they accept me for what I am. They appreciate me and all of that. A part of me created this channel only because I wanted to make or create a space wherein I can share my thoughts. But in the past few years, like last year say, even this space started feeling suffocating for me and I somewhat started uploading less. As you can see, तुमको इसमें 1-2 महीने से तो बिल्कुल भी अपलोड्स नहीं मिल रहे होंगे बिकॉज मेरी दिमाग ही इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब टाइप्स हो गया था. बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज यूज टू थिंक दैट पीपल वुड कम अप एंड जज मी एंड देन अगेन आई यूज टू थिंक एंड अगेन आई यूज टू फॉल इन टू दिस पिट ऑफ थिंकिंग. नाउ आई डू नॉट नो हाउ यू पीपल आर, और are you somebody who has struggled with this thing that जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ. But if you have, you might relate to me that once you start trapping yourself in some patterns, you start to revolve around those. Not saying that I would have never done anything. I got good scores in NEET also, so I would have like opted for some other things and would have done great there too. But I always thought that MBBS is something which would give me the the honor, the prestige which I have always thought of getting, of imagining my life like I would be an MBBS doctor, I would be working in some hospital, like all having that titles ahead. And because of that I could not afford private, so I have to like settle with government, right? But जहाँ पे मेरे मार्क्स कम रहते थे, I used to think कि अगले साल I would appear for it and अगले साल मैं इसको दे दूँगी and then अगले साल मे भी कुछ हो जाए. And in the meantime, just giving this one exam has caused so much of mental pressure and so much of mental agony to me that I cannot even tell you. To overcome all these thoughts, all these depressing ideas, I started reading. So all this collection that you see here is just because my mind was so saturated and it was so into this pit of overthinking that the only place where I found my peace are my books. I absolutely love reading. There is no part of me that hates any sort of fictional character. I live my life through these characters. I imagine my life through these characters, and this is what I was. So as most of you are people who are connected to me for a long time, so तुम लोगों को पता होगा कि I was giving GATE this year. I was preparing somewhat for it, but ऐसी कोई बहुत खास प्रिपरेशन मेरी हुई नहीं थी बिकॉज जैसे मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ कि मैं एक बार मेंटल हेल्थ के इश्यूज से बहुत ज़्यादा डील कर रही थी. तो जितनी भी मेरी प्रिपरेशन थी, जितना भी मैंने कुछ नीट के लिए पढ़ा था एंड थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ माई ग्रेजुएशन, I went with that preparation to give my GATE. It was on the 7th of February this year and इसका result कल announce हुआ, that is New Year पे announce हुआ. I was not expecting, I thought that maybe I would not even qualify this exam because this is what is it. ठीक है, मतलब पेपर तो मेरा ठीक हुआ था, but again because I am accustomed of failing so much. I'm accustomed of failing so much because of this exam NEET, that I thought that maybe this exam, again, GATE is also not meant for me. I would not get anything. अगर मेरा क्वालिफाई भी हो गया, इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट फॉर मी. बट जब मैंने अपना रिजल्ट खोला, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी, जितनी मुझे कभी खुशी नहीं हुई उतनी ज़्यादा खुशी हुई उसको देख के. बिकॉज या आई क्वालिफाइड गेट. क्वालिफाइंग स्कोर कुछ 36 कुछ थे, एंड आई गॉट 52. आई वुड प्लेस माई रिजल्ट हियर, आई वुड प्लेस द स्क्रीन शॉट हियर सो यू कैन सी. एंड विद दिस स्कोर आई थिंक आई माइट गेट सम लोअर ग्रेड IIT or some higher grade NITs, hopefully. Finally some trajectory out of my life, finally some clarity. I would also be preparing for NET, the exam for assistant professor and JRF. So इस बार this would be my first time giving this exam also. जून में होगा वो, तो उसके लिए भी आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग करेंटली. एंड पहली बार कुछ लाइफ में बूस्ट ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस मिला मुझे ये एग्ज़ाम देके. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर इट. Thank you to all the people who have supported me. Thank you to all the people who are still connected here, because you people like mean everything to me. Whenever I feel any ounce of negativity, whenever I feel any sort of, negative emotions taking toll over me, I come up and read my comments, because here I get the most supporting people. यहाँ पे ऐसे लोग हैं जो मेरे साथ हमेशा रहेंगे, and I know that you people are always there for me. Thank you so much for all the love that you've shown to me. You are in the same place as me. If you think that you are probably not meant for achieving anything in life, then trust me on this, that life gets better. You just have to be there. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारे दरवाजे पे कोई बेल बजा रहा है, तो तुम जब तक दरवाज़ा नहीं खोलोगे तब तक वो इंसान अंदर नहीं आ पाएगा. सेम गोज़ फॉर opportunities knock your way. You just have to be there to welcome that in. So this would be my message to all of you. If you are feeling overwhelmed over your NEET preparation, if you are feeling overwhelmed upon any of the examination that you are giving, just believe me on this. Just शो अप. हर दिन आओ, हर दिन पढ़ाई करो, हर दिन अपना बेस्ट दो, एंड हर दिन जो तुम्हारी प्रोग्रेस होगी, दैट्स द प्रोग्रेस विच वुड टेक अहेड एंड विच वुड हेल्प यू टू गो अहेड. हैड आई नॉट बीन in this loop of NEET, of appearing in NEET for getting MBBS, I would have been a doctor, probably a veterinary doctor, probably a BDS doctor somewhere in life. But because I was very very adamant कि नहीं, मेरे को तो बस MBBS ही करना है, सिर्फ यहीं पे लाइफ होती है. नहीं भाई, लाइफ बहुत बढ़िया है भाई, लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है. You just have to be there, you just have to be present, you just have to give your best, that's it. So this would be my message to all of the people who are struggling currently. If you are facing backlogs, if you are not giving tests, then please show up, please come and show up. That's the only thing which would help you in a better way. जो पढ़ाई करी हुई पढ़ाई होती है ना, मतलब जो तुमने कभी भी पढ़ा है, that will never ever betray you. पढ़ाई is something which will always stay with you. कभी जो तुमने कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा है वो तुम्हारे पास हमेशा दिमाग में रहेगा, वो कहीं ना कहीं तुम उसको अप्लाई करोगे, एंड कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें वो चीज़ हमेशा हेल्प करेगी. दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ पढ़ाई. इट इज़ नेवर गोइंग टू betray you. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for listening to all this yapping that I was doing here. I would be more consistent. I would be sharing some of my reading journals here, so please do support. Please watch those videos, because I really get demotivated if उन वाली videos में views नहीं आते हैं, because reading is something which I love with all my heart. This is something which has helped me to come out of the phase that I am into, and every time I'm into that phase of overthinking, I pick up a book, I read it, and I feel 100,000 times better than what I'm feeling previously. Please believe in yourself. You are capable of so much more than you think you are capable of. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you some other time. I would meet you here in this channel, so please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.